Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change currency in Google Sheets. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Google Sheets, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Changing currency in Google Sheets is a straightforward process, but it's essential for various reasons, particularly when you are dealing with financial data or creating reports that involve monetary values. Now, you see, for example, this one, in this particular cells that I'm working with, the currency is set to the dollars currency. It's a default. Now, sometimes you may be working with clients or suppliers or companies or multiple freelancers that may request financial reports or invoices in specific currencies to align with their accounting practices or preferences. Of course, adapting to their currency requirements facilitates smoother transactions and relationships. For example, you're in an e-commerce business and most of the suppliers are in China, so you might want to, go for the local currency. Now, for you to be able to change this, I want you to select the cells that you wanted to work with and click on the more formats. The more formats has like a number 1 2 3 icon beside the font and the increased decimal places. I want you to click on it. You see there's going to be a currency option here. I need you to click on the custom currency. Now you can of course choose from any currency that you wanted here. All right, it's up to you. Now again, it's set on default. If you wanted to use Afghani, Algerian dinar, all right. So maybe if you wanted to look forward to Australian dollar, but what I'm going to do right now is to standardize the currency presentation into the GBP, which is the Gibraltar pound. Now, if you're happy with it, all you're gonna do is click on apply. All right, and that's it. Now, if you want to maybe sort of differentiate the, you wanted to have a different for each of the cells, that's easy. All you're gonna do is maybe choose from here Chinese yuan, right? You click on apply, so you have like a multiple currencies available here on the Google Sheets. It's a very straightforward process that is presented accurately and effectively on your worksheets, meeting the specific needs of your stakeholders, suppliers, multiple clients, and other companies that you are working with. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.